So anyway, people, how you going? This is Glenn, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about, well, this is actually a can opener. So this video is not about a can opener. This video is about a thingamajig. So what is a thingamajig? You're probably wondering, it's a can opener, it's not a thingamajig. What are you talking about? Basically, a thingamajig is what we use when we do not know the name of, or we forget what we want to talk about. So just say, I've got this can opener, I forget the can opener's name. I'm going, oh, I need to use this on some, I need to open the can, but I need the thing to open the can. I need the thingamajig to open the can. So basically what you're saying is that you're calling this a thingamajig because you don't know the name. So, what's this thingamajig called? I can't remember what it's called. What is it called, a thingamajig? And basically you can use it for any device that you use as pretty much a tool or just anything that you actually use. So if you forget what a car battery is called, you can call it, oh, what's that thingamajig that charges the car, puts energy in the car. We generally don't use it for a car, so we don't call a car a thingamajig. You forget what a shovel's called, you go, oh, what's that thingamajig we actually use to actually dig up the soil? Oh, I can't remember. It's the thingamajig, you know? The whatchamacallit. That's another way. What you may call it, whatchamacallit. And probably wondering, ooh, what does thingamajig do? Well, jigging is when you actually, like, just say you've got a bolt and you want to loosen it, you go, you're jigging it, jig. That's what a jigging is. So a thingamajig is just basically something that you'd use. And the etymology, I'm not too familiar with. I don't think anyone is really familiar with where a thingamajig comes from. But it's just a useful word to say if you forget what something is actually called. So just remember, when you can't remember what it's called, just call it a thingamajig. Because people in Australia will pretty much understand what you're saying. And enjoy learning your English.